Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions so you don't end up with a useless gadget. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums and mops. On the left, we have the Tikom robot vacuum and mop, and on the right, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. It's a battle of the bots, and it's going to get messy. Let's get started. First up, the price. Tikom comes in at a wallet-friendly $299. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus will set you back a whopping $549. Reviewers love Tikom for its affordability without sacrificing performance, making it a great budget option. On the other hand, Roomba is seen as a premium choice with extra features that justify the higher price point for some users. Now, let's talk cleaning tech. Tikom boasts a 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping feature with an electronically controlled water pump and adjustable water output. Reviewers highlight its effectiveness in picking up dirt and say it's like having your very own tiny maid. Roomba, on the other hand, features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. Reviewers say it's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums, especially for homes with pets. Next, navigation. Tikom uses gyroscope smart navigation, cleaning in a zigzag path for 30% more efficiency compared to random path robots. Reviewers appreciate its smart movement pattern and ability to navigate tricky spots. Roomba, however, learns your home and creates an imprint smart map so you can direct it to clean any room you want, whenever you want. Reviewers mention that this feature makes it incredibly convenient, despite some software hiccups. Suction power. Tikom brings 2700 PA to the party, which is great for short and medium pile carpets and hardwood floors. Reviewers note its strong suction and effectiveness on various surfaces. Roomba takes things up a notch with its patented Dirt Detect technology, focusing on dirtier areas of your home. It's like having a vacuum with OCD. And reviewers say it's excellent at thoroughly cleaning high-traffic areas. Now, for the piece de resistance, Roomba's self-emptying feature. It automatically empties its bin into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris. Reviewers love this feature for its convenience, making it a set-and-forget solution. Meanwhile, Tikom doesn't have this feature, so you'll have to empty it manually. Reviewers accept this trade-off for the lower price. Lastly, smart features. Tikom works with an app and can connect to Alexa and Google Home, offering 5 cleaning modes. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and scheduling capabilities. Roomba pairs with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant and understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1 robot. The iRobot Home app makes cleaning easier and more personalized. Reviewers say it's the robot whisperer, making it a top choice for tech-savvy users. Overall, Tikom is praised for its affordability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Roomba, on the other hand, is celebrated for its advanced features, thorough cleaning capabilities, and convenience, especially for homes with pets. However, some users have noted issues with its mapping software. So there you have it, folks. Tikom is the budget-friendly, no-nonsense cleaner with solid performance. Roomba, on the other hand, is the premium, feature-packed robot that practically runs your home. Which one should you buy? Well, that depends on your budget and how much you hate vacuuming. Leave a comment below and let us know which bot you're rooting for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy cleaning. Product links are in the description.